Back in 2021, we released one of my favorite products at Maker's Clean, our luxury face cloths. And we started to listen to some of the different ways that you were using your luxury face cloths. So we decided to make some changes, as we often do around here. And I am so proud and excited to introduce you to the all-new luxury face cloth and luxury eye makeup remover pad. You might be wondering, why did we make this change? We heard that people were using their face cloths not only to remove makeup and wash their face, but also as a washcloth in the shower. They were using it for their babies and their kids in the bath. And while the first iteration of our luxury face cloth was good for all of those purposes, we thought we could break it up into two products that would be even better for specific purposes. So let me introduce to you the revamped luxury face cloth. What you'll notice here is a 12 by 12 square shape that's 40% larger than our original luxury face cloth and is similar to a traditional washcloth, like the size of a face cloth that you would expect to see at a hotel. We also chose a new gray color, which is quite neutral and matches a lot of bathroom decor, and that same plush, cloud-like material that everyone loves. It feels so good on your skin. It's nice and gentle, and it washes really well. You'll notice that our label also doubles as a convenient hang tag for fast drying. These cloths dry so much quicker than traditional cotton washcloths. And they come in a convenient 5-pack, so you can always have a fresh one on hand. And now introducing our luxury eye makeup remover pads. We decided to take things in a smaller direction for this particular project because I know that a lot of people will purchase disposable products like cotton rounds or pre-moistened cotton rounds to specifically remove makeup from the eye area. But the thing is, I know that a lot of that ends up in the garbage and it's really wasteful. So we wanted to make a specialized product that was small, easy to fit in your hands, and we've included 10 in a pack so that you can use, one on each eye, no cross-contamination for 5 days straight. Of course, it comes in that same soft cloud-like material as our luxury face cloth and comes with the convenient hang tag so that it dries quickly. Oh, and one other thing we did, we put these in a delicates bag. That way, when you finish using them, you can toss them all in the delicates bag when you take them to the wash. The other thing that I love about these cloths is that they are so easy to take care of. Makeup washes out really easily and they don't get smelly. Just follow these tips and you'll know exactly what to do. When I finish using any of my luxury face cloths, whatever the size, I always let them dry before I throw them into a dirty laundry basket. You want to make sure that when you're laundering these, you're only laundering them with other Maker's Clean or microfiber products. That's because these only like cold water, and if they're mixed with natural fibers like cotton, they can start to pick up lint, which we don't love. You're going to stick with gentle detergent here, no crazy additives. You're going to use no fabric softener and no bleach. Now, when it comes to drying, you can hang these to dry, or you can put them into the dryer on low heat to tumble dry, and you want to make sure that you're using no dryer sheets because dryer sheets can have a clogging effect, the same as fabric softener on these fibers. Now, if you are hanging them to dry and you want to perk them up after they've gotten off the drying rack, you can take a cloth in your hands, fold it in half, and just rub it together to fluff up the nap. Now, I'm not about to tell you about a new product without giving you an introductory offer. For a limited time, just this week, we are offering either of these products at an introductory price of 20% off. And guess what? If you want to have both of these products in your life, we'll give you an extra 10% off, so you can get both for 30% off. To learn more, you can visit makersclean.com, and for my fellow Canadians, you can visit makersclean.ca. I've got links for you down below, and again, that is where you will find these wonderful new luxury face cloths. So the next time you go to your bathroom and you pick up your washcloths and they feel rough and they smell stinky and they just don't make the face cleansing experience enjoyable, I really encourage you to give these a shot. Our first iteration of these have tons of positive feedback, and my friends and family were completely obsessed with them. I was too. I would travel with my own. So this version is even better. Get your hands on these now if you want to get in on that great introductory offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.